In this video, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can charge a one-time type of fee alongside a recurring membership on MemberPress. We get a lot of MemberPress users asking how they can sell a recurring membership, like a monthly subscription that bills every month for example, but then also charge, say, a one-time setup fee at the same time. So you see setup fees in a lot of gym memberships, storage units, web design or creative services, software, etc. So a service might cost $50 a month, but then also charge an initial one-time setup fee of $100. So in this case, the customer would pay $150 as the first payment. So $50 for the first month of the service, and then $100 for the setup fee. And then after that, the customer will then just be charged $50 a month. So in MemberPress, there are a few ways you can achieve this. First, I'll show you how to do this through a required order bump. And second, using the trial period feature on a membership to charge the setup fee. So to get started, you'll need to have the MemberPress plugin installed on your WordPress website. And you'll also need a recurring membership created. So here on my sample website, if I go to MemberPress and Memberships, you can see I have a recurring monthly membership created to use. So let's say I want to sell access to an e-learning platform, or like I said before, even a monthly membership to a real-life gym. So this method can work for pretty much any scenario that you have where you want to charge a one-time setup fee. So my monthly membership here will charge customers once a month for my service. And then I'll create an additional membership that will be my order bump. So that will serve as my one-time fee. And then I'll attach that order bump membership to my recurring membership, and then make it required. So customers will be charged for both of them. Now, an order bump and MemberPress let you sell additional products and services through MemberPress memberships to customers when they're purchasing a membership on a registration page. Our support documentation on order bumps goes over it pretty extensively, so be sure to check that out if you're not familiar with them. And just note that not all MemberPress plans support order bumps, so check out the order bumps page in our add-ons and integrations page on the MemberPress website to see if your plan supports it. If not, don't worry. The next method I'll show you using trial periods is supported on all plans. Okay, so once I have my recurring membership created, next I'll create a one-time type of membership to act as my setup fee. So under MemberPress and Memberships, I'll click Add New to create a new membership. And then I'll simply name this one-time setup fee, just so there's no confusion as to what this is for the customer. But of course, you can name yours whatever you want. And then I'll set this membership price to $100, which will be my one-time setup fee. And one-time and lifetime. So it's a one-time payment of $100. And then I'll save the membership. And you can see that the new one-time membership was created. So next, you'll need to install the Order Bumps add-on if you don't already. So to do that, just go to MemberPress and Add-ons, search for or just find Order Bumps, and then click to install and activate the add-on. So once that's done, you can now add Order Bumps to your memberships. So now I'll go to my memberships, and then click to edit my recurring membership. And then down here, you'll see this Order Bumps tab. So all you do is click on this plus sign icon, and then select your Order Bump membership that you created. So in my case, it's that one-time setup fee membership. And then for this use case, you'll want to check Required. So this will make it so a customer must purchase this order bump in order to make the membership purchase. So traditionally, how order bumps work without the required checkbox enabled is that you can add as many order bumps as you want to a membership, and your customer can add the ones they want to their order as additional purchases. But in this use case of the required one-time setup fee, we would use this required checkbox, so just make sure that's enabled. Also, right here, you can modify the text that's shown above the order bumps checkbox on the registration page, which we'll see later in the video. So this might be a good place to further describe that this is a required one-time setup fee, however you want to do that. It might be a good place to shortly explain what this fee is to a customer. So maybe something like one-time setup fee, required, or something like that. So once I have my order bump added, just click here to save the membership. And now my order bump is added to my recurring membership. So to show you what this looks like, I'll open my recurring memberships registration page, so the page the customers will actually purchase this membership on. in a new incognito window. So an incognito window lets you view your site totally logged out, so you're not logged in as your site's administrator user. So it's like you're a brand new site visitor viewing your pages, which is really useful for testing things out. So here's my registration page where customers can sign up for my recurring membership. And right here's that order bump. So you can see that it's checked by default and you can't disable it. And you can see it added to the order right here. So here's the monthly price and the one-time setup fee price, all added together to make this purchase. So a customer would just fill out their information here and make the payment. So to show you this real quick, I'll go ahead and fill out this registration with some fake testing data and some test payment information. And then I'll make the purchase. And then you can see the purchase went through. So now when I view this test user's membership account page, right up here, and view this test user's payments, you can see the payments went through for the membership and the one-time setup fee too. So that's how you can charge a one-time fee alongside a recurring fee with required order bumps. One thing to note is that on your website, you might want to have some text explaining that you're charging customers both a monthly fee and a one-time fee. You could put this throughout your website, on your pricing page, or even on your registration page. But that's totally optional. Maybe you think the name of the order bump and the customized text above the order bumps is enough. It's all up to you. But just keep in mind that there are many places to add some text explaining your payment structure. Okay, next, I want to show you how to achieve charging a one-time fee alongside a recurring membership with a trial period now. So you might want to use this method if your MemberPress plan does not support order bumps, or maybe you just think this way suits your needs better. So to show you this method, I've reset my recurring membership and then took off my order bump membership and deleted it. So now again, I just have my one recurring membership that I want to sell. And then on the memberships page, I'll just click to edit that recurring membership. And then now under the pricing terms, I'll check to enable a trial period. So there are a few ways that you can use the trial period to charge your one-time fee. So in my case, since I'm billing monthly, I can create a 30-day or 1 month trial period. That will be for the total cost of 1 month of my membership, plus my one-time fee. So in my case, I can set up a 30-day trial for $150. So this will charge my customer $150 right away when they buy the membership. And then in the following month's billing, it'll charge them $50 a month. Another way to bill for your setup fee is to make a 1-day trial period of, in my case, $100. So what this will do is charge the customer $100 when they make the purchase for the setup fee. And then 1 day later, they'll be charged $50 for the monthly fee. And then after that, every month, they'll be charged $50 for the membership. So the first method I showed you might be a little more straightforward for customers, but the second trial setup is an option for you if you think that works better. Now, one caveat with this is that when most people think of a trial period, they generally expect either a free trial or a discounted trial. But since we're using the trial period to charge more than the monthly membership cost, you might want to add explainers on your pricing page and registration page, explaining how your pricing's working. So you can add text right here in this text box that will display on the registration page or anywhere else on your website. So the key here is just making sure that your pricing is clear to customers and not letting that word trial trip them up. And that's it. You've now seen how to charge a one-time setup fee along your recurring membership in MemberPress. If you're charging a setup fee on your MemberPress website, give one of these methods a try and see how it works. See our knowledge base for more information regarding order bumps, trial periods, and customizing pricing and registration pages. Also, be sure to follow our blog and YouTube channel for all of our latest tips and tricks on all things MemberPress. Hope this helps and see you in the next one. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.